So my name is Dr. Richelle Whitaker. We just wrapped up the FYVA retreat. It was awesome. It was excellent. The name of my new podcast is called Raising Sons. And my takeaways from this weekend's retreat were that you need to be strategic. So when you're putting together a podcast, you need to have strategy behind or your reasons why you're doing it and how you can help to solve a problem. So coming out, making sure that you have a strategy behind the whole premise of the podcast and why you're doing what you're doing and how you can serve others. That's probably the biggest takeaway, because when I launched my podcast initially, I didn't have a strategy. I just was putting it out there and thought that some kind of way it would magically appear. I don't know. And so I would say that if you are a podcaster and you're looking to grow your podcasting or figure out how to market or all the things that go on behind the scenes, then this is definitely the retreat that you want to attend, because Tatum and her team definitely tell you all of the things that you need to do from a practical standpoint. She's just not giving you information about what podcasting is, but all the back end things to help your podcast to grow and to make it run and to be a success. So I would say if you're on the fence, definitely attend.